Hello everybody, this is Robert from Asia Pacific Gardening. Today we're going to do this tree pruning here, the maple tree. And oh! Why you're not behind the camera?
Oh, sorry.
So he's supposed to be behind the camera. He's the camera guy. Looking at the tree right here, it's a very healthy tree. And you can see the green leaf, a small lacy maple. And again, so lacy maple, they always grow long and heavy. You can see here, you need the, if you prune it back a little bit, they will come up a little bit high right here. The wider size right here, from here to the other end, to the other side, right here is 11 feet. By working the healthy tree like this, it makes us happy. And the tree talking to me, we need the scissors like this to pruning this tree. Not suggest to pruning this beautiful tree, use the hedge trimmer that would be damaged. Some of the artists or some of the landscaper, they like to use the hedge trimmer that will go faster. They just cut the bottom and prune like a mushroom. That's a quite different quality. And you can compare. Stay with us to see what they look like. There's a lot of detail because this tree been 20 years old approximately and never been pruned, and they always go like this, get heavy and heavy. You can see, imagine if this one up like this, there's some interesting branches inside the structure. We will give you showing the beauty of the tree. Subscribe if you like this video, and share this information, share this video to your friend. Hopefully everybody can learn and prune their home tree looks better. So when you're pruning this tree, you need to look around what's around the tree. Like example, there's a walkway right here. If you not maintain your tree, this tree will be coming to this way. So give you some narrow space. It's not in the future, if they grow like this, you're cutting back, they will be damaged the art value of this tree. So maintain the tree, make sure this walkway have open, but it's not just cut like this. Use the wedge trimmer to prune this. It's not a good idea. We need to get the step by step up. You can see here, it will be looks different. And this part right here is very important. Also, there's a landscape behind it. You have to looking at this whole thing, how to cooperate together to make this tree get better value. You just not come here prune. That's another knowledge you need to study.
So here's a look at the inside of the tree, all the twists and turns. All of this was just grown naturally. We don't cut a lot of these, and we've gotten a lot of comments in our past videos that we don't know what we're doing, we're damaging the tree. This is quite different. We prune these little smaller ones and open up the structure to reveal this. Like, this is what we want to see. Of course, if you cut all of these branches, yes, the tree will be damaged and probably die, but this is the structure that we want. We maybe remove one or two of them. So the fact that some of you are claiming that we are damaging the tree, you are misinformed, and we are here to show you this tree will be way healthier after we prune it. Just to show how you can save some time with the trimming technique, this particular branch isn't adding any value because there's so many leaves right here. So instead of trimming these one by one, just follow the branch all the way and just remove it at the tip right here. That will save you a lot of time. And we don't really remove all these extra thick branches. All we're really removing from the interior is just a couple of these, so it really doesn't hurt the tree.
Now we pretty much finished the pruning right here, and well, we can see him right now right here. So while you're here, the back of the camera.
Oh, okay.
The pruning maple tree like this basically you want to see the structure, how beautiful this tree. Otherwise would be covered like a mushroom. We don't want to do the mushroom tree. Some people like the mushroom, but we want to compare which one you like it. So the mushroom tree is nice to have the red color cover up, but you're missing the structure inside here. And a lot of old maple, this is like a 20 years old maple. You can see that beautiful structure. And careful about the maintain the apex on the top, because this side here right now is facing longer time for the lighting, so this one will be grow stronger and the others will be grow slower. You can see here, come with me. Earlier we talking about this walkway right here, how narrow is that, and this tree here has been taking the space. Now we try to limit it right here, give you another foot long space for the walkway right here. And also this, you can see the whole structure. The nice thing when people coming from the front door, you can see the structure, get the nice background, light color of the building, and the detail of them is really good. The camera right now looking at from the entrance of the whole house with the nice light color house right there. Give your family, give your friend, can see the structure of the tree. It's art of the tree. We're not just tree, we're using the bonsai technique to combine with the landscape technique to prune this tree. So it's kind of between. So hopefully this information give you some knowledge right here, and we like to share our knowledge with you. This kind of pruning, we've been doing that for 20 years right now. Never have one tree damaged, but you have to carefully study with your climate. Right now we at is the Pacific Northwest. We're in Seattle area, so climate may be different than what you have in your country or where you place. You need to study, talk to the people around you, see what's going on. But in Pacific Northwest, pruning the tree like this, not a lot of trouble. Hopefully this information can help you, give you update, different techniques. Some of your tree maybe in your front yard will be look like this. You just need to take time, and in the future, this leaf here will be grow. We still have the time to grow back a little bit more. Then going to the dormant season, all the leaf will be drop off. Then that time you can do a little bit more detail by yourself, and the next year will be step by step back like this again. That would be really great. And thank you for watching this video. Hopefully we can see you again. Please make a comment and subscribe or share our video to your friend. Let your friend can understand to looking at the tree, what they look like. Thank you very much.